Guys, I found something weird online. So me and my friend were looking at some Dandy's World pictures. We searched up cursed Dandy's World pictures because we wanted to see some funny pics of Dandy's World characters. We were okay at first and the pictures were fine. But then we see this? I'm sorry. What even is that? And what's with that text at the top? Sprout uses his plump tummy as a pillow when nobody's looking. Do you think that's a fun fact? It isn't really. And this is how PPL replied. They have the rights to say that. Because who wants to see that thing? Oliver's creator out?